Our kits provide everything new hair system wearers need for a seamless start, while also offering essential tools and convenience for those familiar with hair system. These kits simplify the process, removing the guesswork when choosing products for attachment and maintenance in DIY services. Each kit includes a solvent for thorough base cleaning. For attachment, depending on the kit, we'll offer glue or tape, or even a combination of both. Scalp protection is also provided to create a barrier between your skin and the adhesive, ensuring gentle protection. Hair hydration products like a leave-in conditioner are applied at the end to keep the hairpiece conditioned, protected from heat, and free from dryness. They also work well as a refresher on hot, humid days. The specific products vary depending on the hair system you choose. We offer both bi-weekly and monthly kits designed to make attachment and maintenance simple and hassle-free, so you don't have to worry about selecting the right products. For more details on choosing the ideal kit, visit our website or check out our blog linked below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on new exciting products from Superhairpieces.